In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML on a Wix website. Editing HTML directly within Wix can be a bit tricky, but by following these steps, you'll be able to customize your website according to your needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website editor. This is the main hub where all your website's design magic happens. To access the editor, you'll simply need to log into your Wix account, select the website you want to edit, and navigate to the Edit Site option. Once you're in the editor, you'll find a range of tools and options for customizing your site. But today we're focusing on editing HTML. Next, locate your HTML element on the page. This could be something you've previously added, like a custom HTML widget or a section where you'd like to inject your code. Click on this HTML section to bring up the contextual menu. This step is crucial because selecting the right element ensures that the changes you're about to make will be effective. Once you've selected your HTML section, you'll see an option to edit code. Click on that, and a code editor will open up. This is where you'll input your changes. Having this editor allows you to insert HTML, CSS, or JavaScript depending on what you want to achieve. Be careful while making changes here, as incorrect code can break the functionality of that section. You will then be prompted with the question, what do you want to add? This is your chance to determine if you'd like to add custom HTML for features such as tables, forms, or embedded widgets. Choose the option that best suits what you're aiming to accomplish within your HTML element. The next step involves clicking on Website Address. This option is there if you are looking to embed content from external sites. It essentially allows you to incorporate functionalities or designs from another platform into your Wix site seamlessly. For instance, you could be embedding a form or an external map. Afterwards, type in your website address or the URL of the content you wish to embed. It's essential to double-check this URL to prevent errors, ensuring it is correctly inputted. Click Apply to proceed. This will confirm the addition of your URL to your HTML code, and you'll potentially see a preview of how it integrates with your site. Following this, you'll want to click on the Code option. This means returning to the previous screen if needed, where you can directly input or edit any custom code. Typically, this would be HTML or JavaScript. Type the appropriate HTML or CSS code that you've prepared beforehand. This is the part where you get to truly customize your Wix site, whether it's for simple style changes or advanced functionality integrations. Finally, click Apply once again to save all the modifications you've made. Ensure you review your page once more to confirm that everything is appearing and functioning as intended. Congratulations, you've just successfully edited your HTML on a Wix website. Keep exploring the editor and customizing other sections to make your site truly unique.